Did you know most people accidentally kill their succulents? By loving them too much? Yes, overwatering is the #1 cause of death for these cute little plants. But don't worry. Today, I'll show you exactly how to water succulents the right way so they stay happy, plump, and alive for years. Step 1. Understand how succulents store water. Succulents are like nature's water bottles. Their thick, fleshy leaves are storage tanks. That's why they don't need constant watering like your regular houseplants. Imagine them as camels of the plant world. They sip slowly and last a long time. Step 2. The soak and dry method, the golden rule, is simple. Water deeply. Then let the soil dry out completely before watering again. Don't give them sips every day. Instead, drench the soil until water drains from the bottom of the pot and then wait. Depending on your climate, that might mean watering every 1 to 2 weeks indoors or every few days outdoors in hot weather. Step 3. Check the soil, not the calendar. Forget strict schedules. Stick your finger about an inch into the soil. If it's dry, it's time to water. If it's still damp, wait. Apps and moisture meters can help too, but your finger works just fine. Step 4. Use the right pot and soil. Succulents hate sitting in soggy soil. Always use a pot with drainage holes and soil that drains fast, something labeled as cactus mix or with sand and perlite. Without good drainage, even perfect watering habits won't save them. Step 5. Adapt to seasons. Here's where many plant parents slip up. In spring and summer, succulents are actively growing, so they need more water. But in fall and winter, they slow down and rest. During this dormant period, cut your watering by half or even less if your home is humid. Step 6. Watch for signals from your plant. Succulents talk in their own way. Wrinkled, shriveled leaves? That's thirst. Mushy, yellow, or translucent leaves? That's too much water. Pay attention and they'll let you know what they need. Extra tips. Morning is best. Watering in the morning gives soil time to dry during the day, lowering the risk of rot. Bottom watering trick. Place the pot in a shallow tray of water for 10 to 15 minutes. The soil will soak it up from below. This is especially handy for small succulents. Fun fact. Some succulents, like aloe vera, are not only drought tolerant but also air purifying and even medicinal. So keeping them alive pays double. And that's it. You're now a succulent watering pro. If this video helped you, tap the like button and subscribe for more easy plant care tips. Drop a comment below and let me know what's your favorite succulent at home. I'd love to hear about it.